Xero has several powerful features to help improve your cash flow. Set up invoice reminders so Xero emails your customers automatically to remind them an invoice is due for payment soon or is overdue. This helps save time chasing customers who haven't paid, avoid awkward conversations, and get money into your business faster. To set up reminders, go to Business and Invoices. Here you see all your sales invoices. At the top right, Xero shows we haven't set up invoice reminders yet. Click this button to go to the invoice reminders screen. You can also get to this screen from the settings area. Notice that everything is greyed out because I haven't turned on invoice reminders. Click the box to turn them on. Xero has 3 reminders by default. If you save now, it will send out reminder emails to your customers when invoices are overdue by 7, 14, and 21 days. Click Edit to view or change the email message. You can change this message to be whatever you want. Perhaps your first overdue reminder might be quite gentle, but the next reminder, 1 or 2 weeks later, might be more forceful. It's completely up to you. Use placeholders so the message pulls information from Xero. For example, the contact person's name and invoice amount. This reminder also contains a link for your customer to click and view the invoice online. I'm happy with this reminder as it is, so I'll close this box. I only want 2 overdue reminders, so I'll remove the one for 21 days. Click into it and delete. Sending an email before the invoice is due can be a helpful reminder to your customers so they don't forget to pay. Let's add a reminder. I want Xero to send this when an invoice is due in 2 days. Notice the email subject is different from the overdue ones. But again, you can change any of this text to suit your style of communication. And save. Keep this box ticked if you want to include a link to the online invoice and detail summary in the email header. You can turn off reminders for small amounts. In this example, I don't want to send out email reminders for anything less than $10. Click Save and Xero turns on these reminders for all new invoices. The Invoices screen now shows that invoice reminders are on. If you want to turn off a reminder for a specific invoice, you can. Let's say for City Limousines, I've already spoken to them and have agreed to let them pay later. So for this invoice, I don't want Xero to send out reminders. Open the invoice, then click these 3 dots and turn invoice reminders off. The Invoices screen now has a new column so you can see which invoices Xero won't send reminder emails for. If there's a contact you don't want to send reminders to, go to Contacts, click into the contact, and again click those 3 dots and turn off invoice reminders. The contact information now shows that invoice reminders are off. And the Invoices screen shows that reminders are off for that contact. Give the video a like if it was useful and subscribe for more content about Xero. Thanks for watching.